Hi everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Faye and today I'm going to talk to you about a skincare product that I cannot live without and that I've been using for probably about 13 years. It's a long time. Plus, it's only $5.99. So let's talk about it. It is the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. Now, I have it in the old pot because I buy these in bulk. So I've got about 6 of these stuffed in a cupboard that all look like this. But it has been put in a new pot now which has a green lid and is slightly taller. But it only costs $5.99. And if you know modern balm type cleansers, you know the type that are thick, melt into a sort of oil as you massage them into your face, and then you add water and they turn into a milky consistency and rinse straight off. This is a bit like the balm part of that without the whole milky rinse off element. It's a very old-fashioned product. It's been around for a very long time. I think my grandmother used to use this. It really is a classic product. And so it has a thick balmy texture, but it doesn't rinse off like a modern balm cleanser would. It just stays very thick and very creamy on your face, and you would take like a hot damp flannel, something like that, and massage it off if you were using it as a cleanser. But my trick is that I don't actually use it as a cleanser. So I have dry skin. It used to be very dry, now it's more like dry combination. But I used to really struggle with applying foundation because I'd have so much dry, flaky patchiness on my skin that even a hydrating foundation, I'd apply it over the top of moisturizer and you just see all of these patches and all of these flakes, and it would look terrible. And I would take my foundation off and I would try and exfoliate my face and like reapply my serums, reapply my moisturizer, go back in with foundation again. It would still look terrible. It would still look so patchy and flaky and disgusting that eventually I would just give up and go out without makeup, because my skin looked better without makeup on it than it did with product, because the product really just highlighted all of those dry flaky patches. Now this solved all of my problems, because what I started doing with this, when I noticed that it was a very thick balmy cleanser that didn't rinse off, I realized that I could waterproof my skin with this. So if you have dry skin, you probably already know that water and prolonged exposure, particularly to water, especially if it's warm, is very dehydrating and drying for the skin. So my problem, the thing that was really contributing towards that dry, flaky patchiness, was being in a hot shower, having my skin constantly exposed to water. It was really drying my skin out. So with this, I started applying a thin layer massaged in all over the face before I went in for a shower, for a bath. I mean, you can also use this if you're going to a swimming pool, because the chlorine is very drying that's in the swimming pool. You can also apply this all over your face before you go swimming, if you are someone that goes swimming. And so I put this on before I go in the shower, and then I leave it on my face the whole time I'm in there pretty much. I do my shampoo, my conditioner, everything like that. And the whole time my face is just protected from the warm water. And then as the very final step of my shower, I wash this off with a foaming type of cleanser. I use a Clinique one, I'll put a picture up, but you can use any good foaming cleanser to remove this. And that just meant that my skin was getting a lot less dried out by the water. And after about a week of doing this and gradually just exfoliating the dry skin that was there, I found such a massive improvement, to the point now that I literally never deal with flaky patches on my skin. I never deal with dry patches that look bad under foundation. I absolutely have no problem with it whatsoever. So I went from, every day repeatedly trying to put on base makeup over and over and having to take it off and exfoliate and try and reapply it again, dealing with all this dry flakiness, to basically having no problem with that at all. My makeup goes on really, really smoothly. And I put it really all down to this. I mean, obviously I also use serums and moisturizers and things like that, but this is the product, and that technique of just waterproofing my skin to protect it from the warm water in the shower was the thing that really solved my problems. So if you have dry skin, I really recommend you try this out. I mean, it is also nice as a cleanser if you want to use it as a cleanser. It does, if you remove it with a hot cloth, leave a sort of moisturizing residue on the skin, which if you are someone who has very dry skin and is not acne prone, you may want to try it the traditional way as a cleanser. But if you just want to improve dry patches without leaving the residue of this on your skin, because it can potentially cause breakouts if you're someone like me who is acne prone, you can try my technique of using it as a waterproofing layer to protect your skin and then removing it with a foaming cleanser just before you get out the shower, then going in with your serums and moisturizers. And yeah, I mean, the dramatic improvement I saw in about a week, just as that existing dry skin improved and went away, was really amazing. And so I've been using this constantly for, yeah, probably about 13, maybe more years. I think I was probably about 16, and now I am 29. So it is a staple in my routine, and I apply it every time I go in the shower. And yeah, I apply this if I go to a swimming pool and I'm going to be exposed to chlorine. I also put this on my face. If you're someone who only has dryness in certain areas, you can just concentrate it there, of course. But I mean, for $5.99, you can pick this up and give it a go, and you get a reasonable amount. I mean, this is the old pot, and this lasts me a couple of months. The new pot with the green lid, I'll put a picture in and a link to the website, is actually bigger than this. It contains more product. So it lasts you a while. It costs under £6. So give it a go and see if it works for you, because it improved my skin no end. And that is everything for today. I hope that was helpful. Maybe you'll try it. Maybe it'll work for you. Okay, bye.